Hello, this story is called Animal Pants. From the biggest gorillas to the tiniest ants, the animals are wearing underpants. A warthog's pants barely cover his belly. A skunk's underpants are really smelly. Snake's underpants are long and lean. A chameleon's change from red to green. A kangaroo's pants are full of fleas. A penguin's pants quite often freeze. A cat buys her pants from a catalogue. A frog wears his pants when he's off for a jog. A hippo's pants will make you grin. They're full of pockets to store things in. And it really does cause a bit of a fuss finding underpants for an octopus. So why are the animals wearing pants? Well, it's sure to be big news. It's the best underpants competition. Now, which pair would you choose? The end.